Good morning. Today's lesson is related to 9.2 compositions of the earth. Compositions of the earth means that we learn what is the things that form the very outer layer of the earth, which is called crust. So there are three types of the rocks that we were going to learn that form the earth crust. Number 1, Igneous Rod. Number 2, Sentimentary Rock. And then number 3, Metamorphic Rock. Igneous Rod is formed from the cooling and freezing of magma or lava. It means that after the volcano eruptions occurs, the magma will spread out and then it will going down in the mountain outside of the mountain of volcano, and then form lava. After this lava is being cooled down, and then it returns to become rocks. Number 2, Sedimentary Rocks. Sedimentary rocks is formed by compressions of deposit material, and then it needs long period of time to form this rock. It has many layers and sometimes maybe have fossil insert in between the rocks. And then number 3, Metamorphic Rocks. Metamorphic rocks is the rocks that form when one or two exposed to igneous rock and sedimentary rocks exposed to a very high pressure and temperature, then it will become harder than usual one, and then it form the metamorphic rocks. So we have examples for metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks, and igneous rocks inside your textbook. Then we were going to see the process of rock formations, how rock is being formed. This diagram shows a very important information. So magma is the hot liquid that found inside or before the volcanic eruptions occur, stored inside the volcano. After eruptions occurs, then the magma will going out, spread out, and then it will form other things that we call lava. Here we call lava when the magma is spread out to the outside, exposed to the outside, then it turns the name to become lava. And when this lava is cooled down, it will form igneous rod. And then igneous rocks will, due to the weather, weathering and erosions, it will flow to the other side of the earth, and then it will settle down at somewhere, and it will gradually form sedimentary rock. So after it flow down through the weathering and erosion, transport and deposition process, it will become sedimentary rocks. And then sedimentary rocks will be buried inside the earth deeper and deeper. After come to one pressure, the earth pressure is higher than usual, and then with high temperature, more deeper to the earth, temperature will be higher and pressure will be higher, and then due to these two factors, it will form another type of rock which is called metamorphic rock, and it is stronger, harder than the others too. Actually, it is a rock cycle also. Metamorphic rock, when it is being exposed to the very too high temperature in mantle layer, then it will melt to become magma again, and then the process will be continuously occur. So this is another picture show the explanation related to 3 types of the rocks. Igneous rock form when magma or lava cools and hardens. When the lava cools faster, the igneous rocks will be smaller in size, and then color will be different compared to the lava that cool in a longer time. Slowly, it will be form a larger igneous rock. Sedimentary rock forms when pieces of rock are pressed and cement together. Sometimes even got fossil that insert in between this rock. Metamorphic rock forms from other rocks that are changed by heat and pressure.